back to Basic Home Cooking. I did some traveling earlier in the month, so I'm excited to get back into it. I was actually out in Bolivia, and I did want to do some kind of Bolivian dish. However, I do still need to do some more research on how to make that happen. I was just short on time, and I think we can all relate being short on time these days. So that's why today we're gonna be doing some easy weeknight chili. This is a super simple chili recipe, just kind of like bare necessities. But what I like about chili specifically is that you can really take it any direction you want. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, let's see how we did. Oh yeah. For an easy weeknight recipe, that is pretty good. I am getting a little more heat, choosing to go with the chipotle powder versus the chili powder, but it's not too intense. And the chipotle powder also gives it kind of like a smoky flavor as well. Now some may say, why didn't you use some dry beans? Well, since this is a quick weeknight recipe, sometimes you gotta opt for that can of beans. And the can of beans was on sale, which these days, not a bad move. And also for the beans, you can switch it up. I know some folks will do like a 3-bean kind of chili, like some kidney beans, some cannellini beans, and some pinto beans. And that's all right too. I feel like that's kind of the fun thing about this recipe is that, or with chili in general, because you can take it any direction you want. So if you want more heat, throw in some serranos, you know, add some more heat, more crushed red peppers, maybe some more cayenne. You control your chili destiny. And it was a game time call to throw in some cilantro, but I did like throwing that in for the cook, and then also having some extra fresh cilantro to garnish at the end because it just kind of brightens it up. Also, if you got some limes, that would also definitely pick up some of the flavors on this dish as well. But that's about it. This is just an easy chili recipe. Go make your own. Make this one, make your own chili recipe, remix it a bit for whatever flavors you want to go for. Maybe you want beef instead of turkey. That's fine. Just get out there and have a blast. And that does it for today's recipe. As always, thanks for watching. Got some more hiking videos and a couple kind of travel shorts coming your way, so stay tuned for that. And until then, keep on cooking.